Hi and welcome. In today's video I want to show you real quick how you can download a video from AliExpress. So let's say we have this product video here and you want to place it on your website, or you want to use this website for your ad creative or something like this. So yeah, how to download this video, because when you right click this video you cannot save the video directly, so you only can save the image but you cannot save the video, and you cannot access the video by right click it. So there's a little trick here. So if you are on Google Chrome, or you have to use Google Chrome to do this trick, then yeah, head over to the product website with the video. And for my example is this little RC car here, just to show you real quick how this is working. Then you have to right click on the white space here, right click, and then you can click on inspect. So this only works with Google Chrome, so you have to use Google Chrome. And then the developer console will open. It can be that the developer console is for you on the right side, vertical, if you want to change this or change this, because I like it more when the developer console is on the bottom of my screen, so I find it a little bit better. So then you can click here on the on this settings icon here, and then you can go to panel layout, and you can change it from horizontal to vertical or to auto. So for me it's on auto, and that is okay. And then when we have opened our developer console, so you can see here are all the elements that are placed on this website or on every website. And for this case we are using AliExpress. Then please go here to this arrow icon, click on this arrow icon and select the video, click on it, and then you can see in the developer console the video is marked, and on the right side here are all the CSS settings, but we don't need them. And then we have to search for the video wrap. So this means here it is, video wrap. You can see it, video wrap, class video wrap, and then we want to expand this. And now you can see here is the video URL. It's here on the server video.aliexpress-media.com, and so on and so on. And then you double click this and you click on copy this video address. You copy this video address, you open a new browser tab, you paste it in there, and you click enter. And now you have the video, and then you see the three dot icon here. Then you can click on this, and then you can see the download button here. Simply click on download, and then the video gets downloaded. Yeah, and that's it. So I think that's really easy. So of course there are some video download websites out there, but they are often paid, or they are really restricted. And in this way you can download the original file from their server. And yeah, it's not that hard. Simply open the developer console by right clicking on the website and go to inspect. And then yeah, use the select tool here and select the video, and then search for the class video wrap, and then you can see the video file. It's always .mp4, ends with .mp4. Double click this, and then you can copy it and open a new tab, paste it there. And from there you can see the original video, and you can download it and use it for making your own ad creatives. For example, if you want to sell this RC car or whatever product you want to sell, and yeah, you can download it, you can place it on your website or make an ad creative out of it. Yeah, and that's it for the video. If you have any questions, then please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I will read all your questions and your comments, and I will try to answer them all as fast as I can. So yeah, if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I will upload more and more tips about web design, WordPress, and yeah, give you more tips and tricks how to use the developer console. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.